Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Komanso asajambulire foni ayi zojambulira foni siziloledwa. Pada video,
Build a house for me.
For you, just hires, we are ready available. Workforce, yes. In fact, more than this one.
More than this one?
More than this one.
Then do it, please.
Now, materials and resources.
I thought you are going to provide. TVET.
TVET, Don Bosco.
Don Bosco?
Yes.
Oh, Don Bosco, area 23.
Yes, it's a kilometer 25
skills. Akuti twatha kumangilani tukanyumba muona ngati kameneka kokongola. Contact them to Don Bosco Youth Technical Institute. Milongo imene. Osatawa ndi mitengo ayi. Mitengo yazi yabwinotu atha kumangilani kanyumba.
With the cement bricks.
Cement bricks.
Quality dust.
Sinchengai, quality dust.
Quality dust. Wow. And very strong.
Wow.
Yes.
Mungona ma viewers, nyumba tu mutogona mo mene. Portland Cement, Shayona Cement, Build Africa. Wow. Bali zinthu pamene. Ofunika chitawi tu. Planter water board. You constructed tanks. Water tanks. Wow.
Kumanga zituzokalitsa zokukhala mipaka pano. Ifeyo National Construction Industry Council sitigwira ntchito padoka. Timagwira ntchito ndi mabungwe osiyanasiyana. Tili ndi macontractors athu amene mukayendere mapavilion amene tayika. Komanso ntchito zomanga kuti zitende pamafunika ndalama. Tili ndi anzathu amene amapereka chuma chawo ku construction industry kuti ziteke. Tilinso ndi anzathu pamapavilion amene amasula akadaulo amene amagwira ntchito mu industry yathu. Monga ma-architects, ma-quantity surveyor, ma-engineer, ma-planners, ndi ena osiyanasiyana. Pomalizira Your Excellency, tilinso ndi anzathu amene amapanga zipangizo zimene timagwiritsa ntchito mu ntchito zathu zomangamanga. Kuli ena Malawi amene amapanga mabuloko, amapanga mapenta, amapanga zinthu zosiyanasiyana zimene mukamayendera mutha kuziona kuti muone construction industry ikuyenda bwanji. Zikomo kwambiri Your Excellency.
I'm good. How are you? Construction. This is one of our construction technologies that we use. It's called a robust structure. It's in partnership with a South African company. It is a structure that does not need columns or beams up to 22 stories high. It's implemented all over Africa. As when you come through here, the flap is a raft foundation, making it earthquake resistant. Then we construct this steel mesh, and inside we put in all our conduits, the pipes, the electricals, all mesh systems, and then we plaster the structure all the way to the top. It's a very fast system, cost effective. A 3 to 4 bedroom house can be constructed in 2 weeks. Only a labor force of 5 people needed, and it is stronger than the conventional block and brick. This is 115 mm, so it's safe spacing, and compared to brick and this structure, brick is only 7 MPa strong. This is up to 15 to 25. This structure has been used in military barracks in Angola, Cameroon, South Africa, as well as low-cost housing in Blantyre, as well as here in Lilongwe. Thank you, sir.
Ziko mwambi bwana, takulanda bwana ba pavilion yetu ya Standard Bank. Ife ya Standard Bank munga gadi headline sponsor wa National Construction Day chaka chino. Tukula ntchito limodzi ndi tukuli National Construction Industry Fence. Tuone sisi ndi ntchito zo kusanja kwa sokolo. Kandi ntchito za migodi, kandi ntchito za mafactory, kandi ntchito za ulimi, oli ndizo bali zonse zimafuna ndi tukuzomanga manga, zikali zolinga, zikali pagazagaza mbili. Ife mungagada private sector ya kuti ntchito yathu ndikutiza na kani gachi chakuisa tugiraso ntchito ndi makampani osiyana-siyana maso akuluakulu amene mwaona pa inakumathandiza ndithu kuitendesa equipment kutukira kunja kupanga so finance equipment manager kuzitakuisa ntchito zakoleti zolimba zofanana ndi military ntchito zaziko amasipala.
Good morning, Your Excellency. A hearty welcome to the Malawi Institute of Architects Pavilion. And as our patron, you are home. But for the benefit of the public, let me state that the Malawi Institute of Architects is the body of the architectural fraternity here in Malawi, comprising the professionals who have undergone the rigorous training, but also those on the way to become architects. This morning, some may be wondering why we are here. But as architects, we feel we are integral to any discussion about the built environment in Malawi or in any country. when Pharaoh had dreams, he needed Joseph to interpret them. And in the case of clients, organizations, governments, ministries, when they have dreams, they need to use architects to realize those visions and to interpret them into the built form. So that's where we come in. This morning at the Malawi Institute of Architects Pavilion, we are being represented by two firms. We are represented by Pakwatu Concepts, which is a firm being led by architect Moses Yakobe, and Liminal Design, which is a firm being led by myself, architect Catherine Sani. The works we have displayed show the breadth of what we do, what we're interested in, and what we're capable of. We have showed some examples of housing that we've been doing as a firm. Those are proposed designs and some under construction. We believe everyone in Malawi deserves to be a home that they can be proud of. But we are not forgetting those in informal settlements. And in our practice, we have been looking at the research and development, trying to find solutions for informal settlements. And the bottom slides are showing examples, paying attention to Mtandire. As we move away from housing, we were also trying to see what other solutions we can provide to the country, which speak to the theme, which speak to building for future generations. We find that as a country, as a capital city, we are lacking in a museum. And we have done our own research and development into a concept of what it would be like if there was a museum within the capital city. To my right, we have works which display on the top end, top projects that can be realized. We have the capacity in this country as architects to visualize and realize multi-story, multi-use commercial buildings, G+5, G+6 multi-use buildings. There's two examples by Pakwatu which are displayed. We have the Reserve Bank Pension Fund Development, and we've got the Spark multi-use complex, both which are from the private sector. So in short, I think we are here to show that as architects, we support the vision of this country. We have the capacity in Malawi to realize these visions, and we would love the government and private sectors to continue to empower us, to continue to utilize us, and to have faith that we can together deliver the vision. We have prepared a gift for you on behalf of the Institute, which will be presented by my colleague, architect Moses Yakobe. Thank you for visiting our pavilion.
Good morning, Your Excellency. My name is Commander Kadambo. I'm the Vice President. This is Madam Vivian Georgia. She's the Vice President. She's the President herself. As you can see, Mamukata, we are very sensitive on gender, and then we are advanced with gender quite very well. Mamukata is an association that was started in 1983 by his Excellency Dr. Hastings Manda, and it's been there ever since.
Four part and Four part. Yes. And the scheme.
Mamukata also tuwezesha munga imemuka nileta tena kufuna kuzoma na Malawi Kenya kama and then I think I think if it's about that I think they one of the issues you know we continue to mention to what we do my first born is there. Look at that first born is Ukalini property. For example, you need to have a property worth of 3 billion so you can execute a project of 20 billion. This management can be broken. They said no, when they in my banking already one of the enough for Banga, they start having it. They in my banking my companies using the application that is corrected. So we are one. Come up with one of the what is it and another come up with no basis as well bankani in Monga Mubangira, Usa, that I knew things not there. If it's more than the time I give us my equipment, if I'm going to go for equipment construction, they can show you one bit. When we on Nigeria was in charge of the
therefore let us not start to go with it. If we say to with Mongoli, if it happens, the land of the kind of 1 minute. Most of them go on and tell you 1 Hayamba, contractor in Malawi, construction in machine. So that would be
construction.
The first
no, men and the construction, what is the connection?
Take construction. You might know some of these projects easy.
Any construction.
They are saying initially industrialization. Where is somebody else? Thank you.
Building itself. Electrical installation. Mera, imabeleka license kwa certified electrical installers. And we encourage people buildings also wamena kumanyumba. As currently my installers, I mean they have undergone into examination.
If a contractor was a manga Malawi, my son, material that I would manage my trouble, rule of all facts. So what I did, my business was made a manga plaster, to make a mama plaster with the common business of Carolina, and then we're going to finish so what I did, the authorities are laying back. No matter how many amount of line, Magamaka Yoga, my brother, Yaka Line, but it was more than this man could have a line back. For my product, it was the way to Kubanga, find the mind in my home before we carry the woody collect the kind of matter. What you call on in about the woody, suggested that you so Chala more than the Labuja, the Pantan Bina with and Chico.
Even my company.
This was my product, my son. Komaso clients din amesema komano kama kulita clients kwa vita kilo upanga vyote naona kuti manani kutoa kwa makini na mimi vita kilo vyote so ambazo kupanga shilingi manage fiber cement shilingi kwa vita kilo kupanga vyote ndio wabili. Yes. Joshua Berliner again. I'm a graduate civil engineer. Yes. So our company is Durable Construction. We make
yes.
Furniture.
I'm
the measuring radiation. So this is the amount of radiation that I'm exposed to right now. So we call it background radiation because of the terrestrial radiation that has been exposed to the sun. So we are here just to recreate good application, be safe.
Over the years, we have done partnerships with institutions like Iveta, Don Bosco, Lilongwe Technical College.
You work hand in hand with the construction companies.
Mining sectors,
we take pride in giving opportunities and internships to carpenters and other technical people in the field. For example, as you can see, maybe you would recognize some of your podiums and your chairs that have been made over the years. And when it comes to sustainable designs and sustainable material, we work in partnerships like people like Redline, Vizara Plantations in Carter Bay. These timbers and furniture that we make are from sustainable forests in Malawi.
Like here,
make sure that
in the road construction sector,
these
they
products
have
are
equipment which produces ionizing radiation.
they are good
And
quality
most of the equipment they are using this one, the yellow one.
Some of the other projects
Every road construction
are the COVID tents
has to have
formula
because it's used to measure the thickness, the compaction.
This is made out of rubber wood sourced in Carter Bay and Vizara Plantations.
Much of that one is very important.
Some of the
We need to
chemicals
make sure
at the
because
Kamuzu
it is
International
radiation.
Airport.
So those people who are working hand in hand, who are operating the equipment,
timbers from
they are also
Vizara
being exposed to
Plantations
that.
as
So
well as
make sure
Red
that
Light.
the equipment itself is perfect. There is
And
no,
that is
much
mainly
radiation
our
to
field
the
of
environment
construction.
as well as the workers, and also the workers are protected. So we advise
Yes,
accordingly.
this is what the audience use. One of them.
That we get after we conduct our inspection.
This is our company portfolio.
I was wondering.
Yes,
and you know what?
The new technology. Nuclear technology. So nuclear technology.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.